See, for years when the DJ was telling young girls, when he was telling the black woman, say, yo, yes, I think that, yes, this is the look, this is the that. Them justify it by, oh, it's just entertainment and also the culture stay, man. No, yes, don't listen to the body about no modesty. That's nerd things. The man say right now with us wild and yeah, man, and we are up here. Then when it come on to actually cuffing a woman, Barbas found somebody that was the polar opposite of what him sing about. Barbas Snowflake don't match nothing what him talk about. And that is what confused the Gaza girl them, because them hear about bleaching and run go bleach. Them hear about skin out and go draw them needle on the concrete from Negril to St. Thomas. Them hear about dash out this and them hear about defecate at the eyeball, make it come back out through the ears. Them hear all kind of things from dancehall artists and them run go follow it. And now the dancehall artists them now wife them. Gaza girl, what do you